Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove an object from a video in CapCut, step by step. First, open CapCut and create a new video. Import the video you want to edit and tap on Add. Now, move along the timeline and find the object you want to remove. Once you locate it, position the playhead there and tap on Split. This helps you isolate the part of the video. Next, select the second clip, go to the bottom menu and tap on Overlay. This will place the clip on a new layer. Now adjust the overlay so it aligns perfectly with the original video. After that, tap on Mask, choose the Rectangle tool, and select the clean area you want to use to cover the unwanted object. Resize and position the mask carefully over the object. Make sure it blends naturally with the background for a clean look. Once done, preview your video to check if the object is properly removed. And that's it. That's how to remove unwanted objects in CapCut using overlay and mask tools. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials and video editing tips.